guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing 100th mystery box. So inside here we got 2 sweaters, 3 t-shirts, 3 headwears, and 1 accessories. And let's see what we got. God damn. Alright, you guys saw nothing. Alright, I already see a lot of things here, guys. I already see a lot. Alright, okay, I'm gonna sit here real fast. First of all, I see a hat. A hat. Let's just take it out and take a look, quick look. Take a quick look. Look at this. Hundreds. So it's hundreds right there. Look at the back too. The bag looks so cool. It's like gold. It's gold. It looks pretty good. Pretty cool. And the tag is right here, the hundreds. Yep. So that's the first headwear. And we got the first sweater. So let's just take it out, give it a quick look, you know. Right here. What does it say? Descendants from the hundreds. Descendants. Nice. And on the back, there's a lot of things on the back. Yeah. Okay, that's the first t-shirt. First t-shirt. First. We got another hat. Another hat. It's basically the same one, but it's blue. Alright. Basically the blue one. Same thing as the red one, but this one doesn't have a gold back, like, as cool. So it's still the same thing. So that's the second headwear. Dude, we got a hoodie, guys. Hoodie. Nice. Hoodie. This one. So it's straight up to say the hundreds. And it's just a hoodie. That's pretty good. So that's the sweatshirt. Right here, let's see what we got. We got another t-shirt. T-shirt. And it says switchblades and slingshots. And at the back it says hundreds. So we good. The second t-shirt. Right here. We got another hat. Another hat, guys. This is a headwear. Basically a little hat. And it said Hollywoods and hundreds right here. It's just a little hat. Just a little hat. Look at that. It's pretty good. Alright, guys. So far, so good. And then we got a sweatshirt. Switchblade and slingshots again. Yeah, again. And then there's no back. And then our last t-shirt. Last t-shirt, guys. Last t-shirt's pure black. I like black in general. And straight up say the hundreds. Straight up it just says the hundreds. On the back it said hundreds. Straight up on the back too. And then we got something right here. I don't know what it says. Let's open it. This is the accessories. Open this up. And it's special. Glasses. I see glasses. Straight up, you can see it. Damn, some glasses. Some glasses, let's see. Test it out, boys. Test it out, boys. Some glasses, y'all. Some glasses. Alright, it looks pretty cool. Sunglasses. Gotta say. It looks pretty cool in general. Look at this. Guys, I just opened this up and read this. When I die, it'll be a glorious day. It will probably be a waterfall. Nice glasses. Look at this, you can see. Looks pretty cool. You got a wiper right here. Nice, pretty cool. Alright guys, let me put everything together and we're gonna do a preview of everything we got. So guys, the mystery box overall cost $100, and I earned like the total value was like over $400 because some of the items I got are limited edition and they don't even sell it in store, and I gotten it. And overall it's a pretty good deal, I guess. And yeah. So the mystery box can occur whenever they want to, and keep a lookout for it. And yeah, there's going to be a preview of everything we got. A t-shirt that says straight up 100s, 2 hats, but the back is pretty unique. Not this one, but this one is. Look. And then we got a little hat, fishing hat, I guess, a sweatshirt, a hoodie, pretty cool hoodie. And then we got another t-shirt. And another t-shirt. Nice. Guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys.